Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AI face enhancement presets for Resolve, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download AI face enhancement presets for Resolve, you'll first need to open your web browser. Next, visit a trusted website that offers AI face enhancement presets for video editing. Once on the website, navigate to the section dedicated to DaVinci Resolve. Browse through the available presets to find the one that fits your needs. Click on the preset to view its details and requirements. Ensure that your version of DaVinci Resolve is compatible with the preset you want to download. Look for a download button or link on the preset page. Click on the download button to start the download process. If prompted, choose a location on your computer to save the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded file if it's in a compressed format, like zip. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Go to the FX library panel within Resolve. Locate the OpenFX section in the FX library. Right-click within the OpenFX section and select Install OpenFX plugin. Navigate to the folder where you saved or extracted the preset files. Select the appropriate preset files and confirm the installation. After installation, restart DaVinci Resolve to ensure the presets are loaded. Once Resolve is back up, return to the FX library panel. You should now see the newly installed AI face enhancement presets listed. To apply a preset, drag and drop it onto your video clip in the timeline. Adjust the settings of the preset from the inspector panel if necessary. Preview your video to see the enhancement in action. You're now ready to explore the capabilities of your new presets within DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.